So hello guys, welcome back to our Jom Belajar Math session with me, Zaid Khan Abdullah, with metric number 292001. So today we have a few questions about to find the inflection point of the function, and the second question is about demand and cost function that we need to solve all the question below. So without wasting any time, let's start and belajar together. For the first question, we need to find the inflection point for this function, which is fx equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 144x. So the first thing we need to understand is, to find the inflection point, we need to find the second derivative of the function, which will tell us whether the function is concave upward or downward. So after we get our first derivative of the function, we will get our second derivative of the function. So our second derivative for this function is 6x minus 6. An inflection point of a function only occurs at the point where the second derivative is equal to 0. Therefore, 6x minus 6 equal to 0, we will find our value of x, which is 1. After we got the value for x, we need to substitute the 1 into the function, and we will get the answer, which is negative 146. Therefore, the coordinate of inflection point for this function is 1 and negative 146. So that's how we get our inflection point. For second question, we have given total cost and demand function, and for demand function, I change it from x equal 100 minus p to p equal 100 minus x. This is because it can make us easier to calculate the following question. For a, we need to write out the total revenue function, which is our x. We need to multiply p times x, so our p is 100 minus x times x, and the answer will be 100x minus x squared. For question B, we need to formulate the total profit function, which is r minus c. So just input our r, which is 100x minus x squared, and minus our cost function, which is given in the question. That we need to multiply the negative with the number inside the bracket, so where the negative times negative will be positive, negative times positive will be negative, and after that we just need to solve the equation, the function. So that's how we get our answer, which is negative 1 over 3x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x minus 50, and that's the answer for our total profit function. For question C, we need to find the profit maximizing level of output x. So we just use our profit function where we already got in question B, and after that we just need to apply dy dx, and we will get the answer, which is negative x squared plus 12x minus 11. After we get the answer for the dy dx, we need to factorize the equation. So we need to make sure that the equation is equal to 0, and after that we will get two answers for x, which is 1 and 11. As you can see, 11 is much bigger number than 1, so that's how we can assume that our profit maximizing level of output x is equal to 11. For question D, we need to find the maximum profit. So again, we use our profit function, and after we get our profit maximizing level, which is x equal to 11, so we need to replace x with 11 into the profit function, and that's how we get our maximum profit, which is 111.33. For the last question, we need to prove that profit is at maximum level using second order condition. As a reminder, for SOC, where we apply second derivative, if after we plug in the critical point into our second derivative, and as the result, if we get the answer in negative or less than 0, so that shows us that our profit is at maximum level, while for if we get the answer in positives or more than 0, it shows that our profit is at minimum point. So first thing first, using our profit function, we just need to apply our first derivative or FOC, and the answer will be negative x squared plus 12x minus 11. And then after that, we apply second derivative, and the answer will be negative 2x plus 12. And then after that, we just plug in our critical point, which is x equal to 11, into our second order condition answer, our second derivative answer, and we'll get the final answer, which is -10. So that shows us that our profit is at maximum level because we get the answer in negative. So that's all, and I hope you guys understand, and we'll see again in the next session. And as usual, I have some quotes for you guys before I end my video, which is mistake are proof that we are trying. So keep pushing, keep doing, keep loving maths, and we'll get better in the future. So see you guys again. Thank you for watching.